Howdy. Beautiful day for a picnic.
Yep, we're off to the park.
See y'all there.
Nothing can stop us now. I don't know how. We couldn't have any trouble.
Oh, hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train? Excuse me, you there. Do you mind helping these good people in the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive?
Wait for everybody to come, okay? Don't just go off. There's other
Thanks.
people.
Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up.
Okay, hey kiddos. Okay.
All right.
Testing. This thing on. Can you all hear me way back in the back? Welcome aboard, folks. Ready for a relaxing ride around the park? Hey, Mick and Minnie.
Sure to take good care of our friends.
George, they're great. What could possibly go wrong?
Matt, you're about to go wrong.
It's like you have a light bulb on.
Welcome, dancers, welcome! Come, come, come! Oh, look at all those bright, smiling faces! It's so nice to see you! Come on in, don't be shy, that's right! Everyone to your positions! Ready, and... 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3! Oh, excellent! You're all waltzing so beautifully together! Oh... Now, let's
Well, that concludes my guided tour. Hope you had a relaxing ride around the park, and thanks for sticking with me. Hey, picnickers. Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Nothing can stop us now. I'm so that you would find me there. We had one crazy
Gosh, what's this lever do? Well, here we are, back in the barn. Remember to gather up all your personal belongings, take your small children by the hand, and watch your step as you exit my train. Come back and see me again real soon, okay? So long!